One size does not always fit all. We are here to work alongside you to always provide ample opportunities of success for your child. My name is Renee Burns, and I want to share your parental rights for special education. You will become familiar with the acronym IEP. This stands for Individualized Education Plan. We create this plan and use it as a map to help us provide the best chance of success for your child. It is a legal document and it must be followed. The parents are a valuable member of the IEP team. Our job is to help you fully understand this document and how it helps your child. The next term is IDEA, the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act. Within this act, it requires schools to provide free appropriate public education. This tells us that educators must be able to locate children with possible disabilities and provide special education or related services, all free of the cost to families. Within this act, it also gives the parents a voice to advocate for their child. It is extremely important that we are a team and you are a part of that team. We will offer you prior written notice of when we plan to meet. We will ask for your consent with testing as well as making changes to the IEP. You have the right to participate in decisions for your child, and together we will provide the least restrictive environment for your child. You have the right to be notified. We will provide you a copy of your parental rights at least once a year, and you can ask for them at any time. Again, we will give you the prior written notice of proposed changes on your child's IEP. In regards to discipline, services will continue, and if there is an incident, that we will take the time to determine if the incident was caused by the disability. It is important to us that the parents have access to the teachers and/or the administrator. Please don't hesitate to connect or contact them anytime if you have questions or concerns. Parents also have access to their child's educational records. If there is conflict, parents can ask for mediation to resolve the conflict. If for any reason there is no resolution, parents then have access to a hearing. Please remember that we are in this together and we value the love and care that you give your child.